Hello everyone, welcome all to today's growth mind sessions. I am discussing a new topic regarding how to grow our mindset from fixed mindset to growth mindset so that we can get more success in life. So today's topic is how to avoid distractions. It is a most important aspect in our daily life. While doing our activities, maximum time we get distracted from that work and either physically or mentally, and we involve in other things. We just keep thinking in other activities. So to overcome this, we have to follow some guidelines. First thing, we have to make a list of our priorities for the day. Whenever we make a list, either in digital or physical in pen and paper, our focus goes on those specific tasks for the day, and we also concentrate on those specific tasks. Keep only 3-4 specific tasks for that day so that initially we can accomplish and later we can grow it to more list. Secondly, get a break after some time from work. If we will do work continuously 2 hours 3 hours, its chances to get distracted from the work. So after 1 hour 1.5 hours maximum 2 hours, a little bit of 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes break also required for our self freshening so that we can get more energy, and again we can concentrate in our work or task. Third thing is, you must switch off the desktop or phone notification icons. By this, what happens, if the notifications are on, we are not using phone or desktop, but still while we are doing our work, if notifications comes, some messages came, this thing, that thing, so our attention gets distracted from the main work and goes to that notification which is not relevant to us. And fourth is, make a suitable accountability partner for your work so that whenever we get distracted, it keeps us reminding, hey, today's your goal is, have you completed your goals today or not, so that we can again get back to our work for completed, and both our accountability partner and we may get benefit for that thing. Otherwise, if we will do single persons, we don't have accountability, either self accountability by writing something or some partner for reminding us, so we may take more time to do it. For example, one work is required for 1 hour, it may take 2 hours. So these all are for important points how to keep focused in our work. Thank you so much. See you in next series of growth mindset. Thank you all.